Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture 1 of physics class 10th. So this year in physics we start with something you experience every second, light. Without it we could not see the world around us. So let me tell you a thing, I don't know much physics but whatever I know is dangerously good. Means मुझे फिजिक्स नहीं आती पर जितनी आती है वो बहुत खतरनाक आती है। तो याद रखो, डर के आगे जीत है। फिजिक्स का डर भी इसी तरह खत्म होगा जब हम उसे समझना शुरू करेंगे। सो ही बियॉन्ड फेयर लाइज विक्ट्री, फिजिक्स फेयर विल ऑल्सो वैनिश वंस वी स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट। सो let me start today's session. So firstly I will talk that what do you understand by light. So light is a form of energy that enables us to see objects around us. There is everywhere light is present, and with the help of light we are able to see our colorful world. So we mean by light that light light is a form of energy that enables us to see objects. Clear? So first point is this. We have talked about the introduction of the chapter. So now we will talk further. Light is divided basically on 2 points: nature of light and sources of light. Light is divided into two major sources. First one, nature of light, and these topics are very important for your class 10 2026 CBSE boards. Second, sources of light. Next theme comes that under the nature of light, two different types come. First is rectilinear propagation and second is dual nature. Rectilinear propagation means light travels in a straight line. Dual nature means light behaves as both a wave and a particle. You will know this topic in class 11th very well. Brief topic in chemistry, chapter number 2. So on the basis of nature of light, light is divided into two types. First one, rectilinear propagation. It means that light travels in a straight line. Understood? Second point comes that dual nature. Under the heading of nature of light, light is also divided among dual nature. So now it's a turn for dual nature. Dual nature, I have told you very well that when light behaves both as a wave and a particle. So nature of light is over. Now we will talk about sources of light. You have studied before ever also that in under sources of light there are two types of objects. One is luminous objects and one is non-luminous objects. Luminous objects consider that sun or lamp, and non-luminous objects that moon or books. Basically luminous means something that is emitting light, and non-luminous objects means that something is absorbing light. That moon absorbs light from the sun emits light to other planets. Clear? So now a motivational line. रोशनी वही है जो अंधेरे को मिटा दे और ज्ञान वही है जो डर को मिटा दे. Means light removes darkness and knowledge removes fear. So now we will talk about the most important topic, that is reflection of light. So basically you know that what is reflection. Reflection means the bouncing back of the light in the same direction. Bouncing back of light in the same direction. There are basically two types of reflections. One is irregular reflection, second one is regular reflection. Basically you know that regular reflection means that the light reflects and reflects in the same direction. Irregular means it reflects and do not go in the same direction. I will tell you from a diagram that firstly we will talk about regular reflection. Definition I have told you, and something that regular reflection is required smooth surface, clear images formed on it. And second is diffuse reflection, that is there is a rough surface, no clear images, irregularities are present in that reflection. So let me रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन मतलब लाइट जो है वो एक पाथ से जा रही है और उसी पाथ में दोबारा रिफ्लेक्ट होके जा रही है. मीन्स दिस इज हैपनिंग. This is a smooth surface. This is angle of incident. This is angle of reflection. This case is for regular reflection. और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ मैं इस चीज़ को. मीन्स लाइट यहाँ से आई, सेम जगह गई. लाइट यहाँ से आई, सेम ट्रैवल हुई. लाइट यहाँ से आई, सेम ट्रैवल हुई. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम बात करेंगे इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन के बारे में. सो इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स लाइट आ रही है और एक डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में जा रही है. एक अच्छे ऐसे लाइट आई, अपने से अलग डायरेक्शन में जाएगी. मीन्स लाइट गोज इन अ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन एंड दिस सरफेस इज अ रफ सरफेस. क्लियर? दिस केस इज फॉर irregular reflection. Clear? Next topic is laws of reflection. Very most important topic of the optics of class 10. Laws of reflection. There are only two types of laws of reflection. First law states that angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. is equal to angle of incidence. Second law states that incident ray, reflected ray and normal ray lies on the same plane. I have told you in diagram that this I is equal to R, means when this I is equal to this R. Clear? जिंदगी एक आईने की तरह है, जो दोगे वही वापस मिलेगा. सो लाइफ इज लाइक अ मिरर, यू गेट बैक व्हाट यू गिव. So now let's talk about mirrors and their types. So basically there are two types of mirrors. First one, plane mirror. Another one, spherical mirror. Plane mirror means a mirror with a flat, smooth surface is called a plane mirror. Examples: household mirrors. The mirrors which are installed in your houses are the plane mirrors. Shop mirrors. Spherical mirrors means a mirror whose reflecting surface is a part of a sphere is called a spherical mirror. Clear? We will talk about detail. So now what we have studied about plane mirrors. I have told you the definition. So basically 2 marks question come from here, that what are the features of plane mirror. So plane mirror is virtual and erect, means the virtual image means that the image can't be obtained on the screen. One is real image and one is virtual image. Real image means that the image can be obtained on the screen. Virtual image means the image cannot be obtained on the screen. And inverted or erect, inverted means ulta, erect means seedha. Next feature comes that same size. Next point come laterally inverted. Next point come at the same distance. Now you are worried about that what is laterally inverted. You have come across this term before earlier also, but now let me tell that what is laterally inverted. Like I have written here ambulance. So when this falls on a mirror, plane mirror, it appears inverted, means ये ambulance जो एक word है ये उल्टा appear करेगा, ये सीधा नहीं होगा. यही तो lateral inverted है. Now it's the turn of spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are divided basically on the two types. One is concave mirror and one is convex mirror. Spherical mirrors divided into two parts. One is concave and one is convex. Now what are concave mirrors? Concave mirror is a mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward like the inside of a bowl. Convex mirror means it is a type of mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward like the back of a spoon. Let me tell you what are concave mirrors. So this is a concave mirror. I have told you that in a concave mirror, reflecting surface is curved inward. This portion is the reflecting part. Clear? This is looking like the inside of a bowl. Looking, and you are thinking that what I have written here, C, F, P, so these are abbreviations. We will talk later. I told you just that C represents center of curvature, F represents focal length, P represents pole. Okay, now we will talk about the convex mirror. So I have told you what are convex mirrors. So convex mirrors whose reflecting surface is curved outward. This is the reflecting surface, curved outward like the back of the spoon. Clear? गलत एंगल से रोशनी का रास्ता बदल जाता है, वैसे ही गलत सोच से ज़िंदगी का रास्ता बदल जाता है। दोनों को सही रखो। अ रॉन्ग एंगल चेंजेस द पाथ ऑफ लाइट जस्ट लाइक रॉन्ग थिंकिंग चेंजेस द पाथ ऑफ लाइट। की बोथ करेक्ट। सो टुडेज़ लेक्चर इज़ ओवर। थैंक यू वेरी मच। सो फिजिक्स का डर सिर्फ तब तक है जब तक समझ नहीं आती। एक बार समझ आ गई ये आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा। सो फियर ऑफ फिजिक्स last only until you understand it. Once you do, it becomes your favorite subject. So एक ट्रस्ट दिखा देना अपने फिजिक्स वाले भैया चैनल के ऊपर। सो सब्सक्राइब, टैप माई बेल आइकन। आपका 100/100 का टारगेट 2026 बोर्ड्स का मैं ही कंप्लीट करवाऊंगा। आपको पूरी तरह से कल इस चैप्टर के नोट्स प्रोवाइड हो जाएंगे। इस वीक में ये चैप्टर ओवर हो जाएगा। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच। गुड बाय एवरीवन। स्टे मोटिवेटेड। पढ़ते रहो, पढ़ते रहो।